How to upload high quality pictures on Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, there's no option in the Facebook app that allows you to change the quality in which your pictures will be uploaded. If you looked for it, you will find no feature that allows you to do that. However, you should note that when using Wi-Fi to upload your pictures, they will be automatically uploaded at the highest quality possible. Now, if you are using mobile or cellular data, then there's an option that you should check in order to make sure that your pictures and photos are uploaded with the maximum quality. Now, what you need to do is you need to open up your settings and then go to connection section, the data usage, and here you will find the option, the data saver feature. You need to turn this off. By doing that, you will be enabling the Facebook to use any amount of data that's needed in order to upload your pictures at the highest qualities. It's that easy and simple. So there you have it. If you are using um, Wi-Fi, don't worry about it. Just upload your pictures. They will be automatically uploaded using the highest quality. And if you are using cellular data, just turn off the data saver option on your phone, and your mobile or Facebook will be using any amount of data that's needed to upload your pictures using the highest quality. So that was it for this video. That's how you can upload photos to Facebook with the highest quality. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.